So pretty quick, as you can see. Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Dewalt DCF885 impact driver. So I've just done a review on its newer brother, the DCF887, I believe it is. And this is the older model. This particular impact I have had, I can't even tell you, for years. I mean, there's mud caked in this thing. It's been beaten up. I've dropped this at least 100 times over the years, from anywhere from my hip to the floor, from scaffolding, from second story. These drills take a really good beating. They're just such a great impact driver to have. So if you're looking for something, if you see these in the store, you're on the platform and you're wondering, you know, which one to get, this is definitely a winner, you know, in my books. There's nothing wrong with this impact drill at all. It has 3 LED lights on the front. It's got the quick connect front here, so you just put your bits in. To pull your bits out, you just pull the collar forward. So I really like how you just push them in. The old style, you had to pull this forward on the 18 volts. You had to pull this forward to put them in, and they improved that when they went to the 20 volt line. Let's check some specs here. It's 0 to 2800 RPMs, and for impact per minute, it is 0 to 3200. So very similar to the other one. We'll do a side-by-side comparison in another video. But if you're considering getting this drill, because they still have them out in like the Home Depots and Amazon, things like that, we'll leave some links down below. But yeah, you can't go wrong. It's a little bit cheaper than the other model that has the 3 levels, 3 speeds, I should say. And it's significantly cheaper than the new Connect one as well. So you can find these sometimes for like $100, anywhere to 100 and maybe 30, I would say. That's Canadian. It's got really good rubber overmold. I put the slim batteries on it, as I've always said. Place for your hook right there. You can put it on the right side if you'd like. It's very easy. And yeah, not a lot to these, you know, they're just an impact. They're great, they're light, I love them. You need them when you're working in construction. It's just what we use now, and they're just a really, really great driver. So let's jam some 3-inch screws into this 4x6. Again, it's just 1 speed. It is variable, but there's no speed selectors here, so it's just 1. So we'll just do a little bit of screwing. So pretty quick, as you can see. Oh. Let's do another one. I can't make that be my last screw. This bit, see what happens? I'll just show you. See how the bit starts to round over? That's when you know it's time to switch out your bits. So let's do it again. There we go. So yeah, they do start to go over time. I really like the longer bits. I think that's a 7-inch, if you're wondering. Oh, what am I saying? Yeah. Well, it's like 5-inch, but yeah, I really like these bits. If you guys are ever wondering what bits I'm always using here, the actual measurement is like 5 7/8. So call it a 6-inch. But yeah, I just really prefer them. You can get into tight spaces. If you're gonna say jam your finger, you've got a little bit more time to move. The drill isn't too close to your hand. I just I've always used these and I really, really enjoy them. So there we go. But as you can see, back to the drill here, or the driver, it just pounds these screws in, no problem at all. Very, very easy. So like I said, I've got a couple of these. They hold up really well, super light, very easy to use. Can't go wrong with it. So let me know what you guys think. Leave some comments down below. Love to hear from you as always. And yeah, subscribe, hit that notify bell, helps us out, and give us a thumbs up. Till next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.